Oh, that water. Beautiful. West Palm Beach, Florida is beautiful to me. I've always liked water since I was like 5 or 6 years old. There's something about the water that's soothing, peaceful, joyful, relaxes the mind, body, and soul. Yep, this is the day that the Lord has made. I shall rejoice and be glad in it. Oh yes, I love it, I love it, I love it. I think the best part I love about Florida is the palm trees. I love me some palm trees. I love it, I love it. Yes, I do. Yes, yes, yes. It's been raining. Some people still fishing out here. I love to see those ducks swim in this water. I don't see any right now. I guess they swim to the other side. Yes, they did. They did. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful palm trees. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful greenery. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Love it. I love it, I love it.